Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Terabox, first open up the Terabox app on your phone, and when you land on this interface after opening your Terabox app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen and this interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just above the webmaster. On this panel at the bottom side, tap on the settings, and the fourth option here it says the night mode. Now in order to turn on dark mode on your Terabox app, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the night mode over here, and when the toggle icon turns blue or on, your dark mode on the Terabox app will be enabled. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on or enable the dark mode on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.